In the name of the one who sees and burns, let false hearts fail, let masks be torn. This ain't a study for children of sleep. This is for killers of ego in the fire deep. Those who walk the flame don't fall. 13 codes, we obey them all. Cling to light when the dark calls. Break your name or lose it all.
We the sparks that survived the knife. Burned in truth, we gave up life. Chained our will to the higher law.
Those who follow stand in awe. Fear unless it shakes your skin. The awe of the infinite roaring within. Step wrong here and the fire will bite. I study with dread, not for delight.
Love like a sword with no return. Touch the light and let it burn. Fall in lust, you'll lose this war. But love of the source, that's worth the score.
I give, I bleed, I don't consume. Reception dies in the holy womb. My will is broken for the will above. This ain't about me,
It's divine love.
13 stairs, 13 flames. Each step breaks the ego's name. In his name I curse the fake. This fire loves,
But it also breaks.
to the sacred cause. Now we move without a pause.
13 steps, we didn't slip.
Bite the dust
or bite your lip.
Keep the law or get erased. Follow true or get ripped.
The tribes inside carry the sparks or lose your pride. One soul split, 600 thou. If you ain't with us, burn out now.
Don't test the flame, it don't explain. The sages speak, I don't complain. Their word is fire encoded deep. Mark their path and dig 6 feet.
Study for her, not for you. Lift the presence, pierce it through. She waits low, your line must raise. Study's a ladder, Shechinah praise.
This ain't my study, I study for raise the fall and stir the blur. Unite the soul with its other half. Miss that goal, you feel the wrath.
Guard your gate, don't spill that code. This is the Brit, not a mode. Break the vessel, lose the flame, and in his name you'll feel the shame.
This ain't casual, this is war. One mistake and you're no more. 13 precepts hold the line. Fall off one, your soul's not mine.
You want the light, then pay the toll. 13 scars carved in the soul. We ain't saints, just forged in pain. Those who follow break the chain.
We bend to none but the higher will. Empty our vessels, calm and still. Fear no shadow, speak no lie.
Keep the precepts or don't ask why.
Study in sorrow, you lose the light. Only joy breaks the exile night. Sadness blocks, joy ignites. The holy don't cry, they fight with light.
Every day, cut again, push till pain turns to amen. One drop daily splits the stone. No devotion, break your throne.
I drop my name to gain the flame. The small ones enter, the proud ones maim. I ain't a voice, I'm just a spark. Only dust can hit the mark.
While you study, that's the kill. Wrong intent, you eat your will. I aim for him, not for a scroll. Every word a binding toll.
Cling or die, no in between. Diva cut burns like kerosene. No self, no shell, I disappear. One with source, no more fear.
Unite the one with what was made. That's the end, that's why I stayed. Every precept, every breath, to bring his light to the world of death. 13 precepts, fire stamped. Say his name, the seals are clamped. You fake one step, you'll feel his wrath. This ain't a study, it's war with God.
All I want, climb between 13 steps, never fade. Feel is right and took the break. In his name we end again.
131 to tomorrow day. No, you can never outrun the